Welcome. In this video I will show you how to fix ghost touches on curved edges of your Motorola Signature. First, open Settings on your device and then scroll down to Gestures. Now, in System Navigation, select the gear icon next to Gesture Navigation and adjust the back gesture sensitivity. So you can make the area for the back gesture smaller by moving it to the this slider to the left, and then you'll have to apply. You'll have to move your finger farther to perform the back gesture. So you can just adjust the sensitivity to your needs, both for left edge and for the right edge in the the same way, basically. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.